Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can remove your Google account from your Android phone. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to remove Google account, all you need to do is open up your settings page or your settings application. As you open up your settings application, you'll need to scroll down and then you'll need to click on accounts. Once you click on accounts, next interface you'll be able to see the list of accounts that you hold. If you have a multiple Google account logged into your device, then you'll need to select one particular email that you want to remove it from this device. So for instance, I'm going to go with this one. As soon as you click on the account, next interface right at the bottom, you'll be able to see an option as remove account. Just click on it. Now, if you're sure about it, click on remove account once again. In case if you have enabled two-step verification on your device, you do enter in the password associated with this particular Google account. So that is how you can remove your Google account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.